orchestra played all night, never stopped even during a fight.